Welcome to video R9, antifreeze, drain, and replace. So here we go. I'll work out two problems. I'll erase this and put the next one when I'm done. A radiator of a car is filled completely with water. Three tasks will be performed. Step one, 1/4 of the water will be drained and replaced with pure antifreeze, and things will be mixed up. After that, 1/4 of this mixture will be drained and replaced with pure antifreeze. Things will be mixed up. Final step, 1/4 of that mixture will be drained and replaced with pure antifreeze. After those three steps, what fractional amount of radiator is filled with antifreeze? So I'm going to work my problem out this way. Starting antifreeze, antifreeze drained, antifreeze added, and antifreeze at the end. And then this end value will be the starting value for the future steps. All right, so for step one, we're starting with 0 antifreeze. We're draining 1/4 of that 0, and we're adding 1/4 of pure antifreeze. So 0 minus 0 plus 1/4, at the end of that step, I'll have 1/4 antifreeze. Step two, I'll be starting with 1/4 antifreeze, and then I'm draining 1/4 of that mixture. I'm draining 1/4 of that mixture. I'm just concerned about the antifreeze, so I'm draining 1/4 of the 4th. And I'm adding, again, that vacant volume with pure antifreeze. So now I've got 1/4 minus 1/16 plus 1/4. So if you do that math, you get 7/16 antifreeze. Okay, that's where I ended for step two. Now we'll begin over here. 7/16 minus 1/4 of that 7/16 plus 1/4 of pure antifreeze. And let me show you how the calculator can help you here. So I'll use my calculator for this step. All right, so I'm going to go parentheses, 7 divided by 16, end parentheses, minus 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 7 divided by 16 plus 1 divided by 4. I get that decimal 0.578125. I'm going to go math, frac, enter, and I get 37/64. So the problem said, what fractional amount is filled with antifreeze? 37/64 is my answer. All right, I'm going to rework the problem, part B. I'll kind of keep some of this stuff up here as a template. So here we go with part B. All I'm going to do is change some of these values, 1/3, 1/4, and 1/5. And then it's the same problem. All right, so I'll keep this chart up here. So again, 0 minus 1/3 of 0 plus 1/3. And that'll get us to 1/3. Again, if you want to pause the video and work this out, I recommend that. This ending is the starting. Now we're draining 1/4 of that mixture. 1/4, and as far as the antifreeze, I got 1/3, and I'm replacing 1/4. If you do that math, you're going to get 1/2. 1/3 minus 1/12 plus 1/4. Step 3, I'm starting with 1/2. I'm draining 1/5 of that 1/2, and I'm adding 1/5. Again, I'll show you how to do that with the calculator. All right, I've got 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 5 being multiplied by 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 5. And I get an answer of 0.6. They want that to be a fraction. Math, frac, enter. And I get 3/5. So the answer to the second part B is 3/5. And there you have it, how to solve problems involving draining and replacing antifreeze.